Hello everyone, welcome to the next is now. I am Alok Kumar and today we are going to study stacks in data structures and algorithm. Before proceeding further to the topic, let us first understand stack with basic examples. You must have seen the books in this order, which is called stack of books. Okay, and here you can see the first book which you kept on the table. It is the last. Okay, and the last book which you kept is at the top. Okay, so what this refers? It refers on an order. That order is LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. Okay, so basically whatever we put, it goes to the last. And when we are in one book, it is from the top. Okay, so last in, first out, or reverse is also true. Okay, which is philo, first in, last out. Okay, coming to here, stack of notes. Here also you can see notes are kept in a stack. Okay, and here you can see the first block is at the last. Okay, and the last block naming 5 is at the top. Okay, now stack is a linear data structure. What does it mean by linear data structure? Okay, so basically a data structure where elements are connected with its previous as well as its next element directly. You can see here this element is connected with this and this element directly. Okay, so that's why it is known as linear data structure. Okay, coming to the next, stack is an abstract data type. Now what is abstract means? So basically we are focusing upon certain operations which are getting performed in a stack. Rather than focusing upon what we had done in backend, we focus upon its operations which are defined. Okay, so the first operation is push. In this operation we push element inside the stack, or we fill element inside the stack. Okay, after that pull operation. In pull operation we pull out element from the stack. Okay, means we remove an element from the stack. Okay, that is pull. Okay, another one is peek. Peek basically shows the top element of the stack. Whatever is at the top, it will give us an output of that element. Okay, after that is empty. Is empty tells us whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, another is full. Is full tells us whether the stack is full or not. Okay, because of these features, stack is known as abstract data type. Hope you guys are clear with it. Now moving ahead and coming to the coding part, let's first define the header. The basic header file is required. Okay, now using namespace cd, but here we will define macros also. Macros, define the name n and let's keep the value is 5. Macros basically don't take space. Okay, like if you look at the variable, then variable takes space, whether it is global or local, it takes space. But here macro does not take any space and it can be accessed by any function. Okay, now let's define the stack here. In stack, okay, and size of stack should be n. Okay, and let's define the top of a stack as in top. Okay, and its value should be -1. which refers stack is empty. Okay, now define the main function here. Okay, now coming to the first operation of stack, which is push. This we are doing stacks with array. We are initializing this with array. Okay, let me comment here for your reference. Okay, now the first function should be push. Okay, here you can pass the input also from main, or else you can pass input, you can take input directly here also. Okay, so I am taking input directly in function only. Okay, so let's say int data. Okay, and cout enter data, scene. Okay, now how we will push the element. So first what we will do is we will check whether the stack is full or not. Okay, then only we will be able to push. So for that, what we will do, if top equals to n minus 1, cout stack is full. Okay, n minus 1 is the last index of the stack. Okay, n is the size and n minus 1 is the last index of the stack. Okay, now if this condition is false, then we will proceed to the next condition. Okay, it means in the else condition, it means like stack have space. Okay, so we will put this here. We will take the input from user. Okay, and here we will increase the pop. Right, and now we will insert into the stack pop equals to dot. Okay, and let's insert an output here so that we can understand whether insertion happened or not. Okay, so let's say data pushed. Okay, now call this function in main and let's test whether it work or not. You can see here 38 pushed. Okay, now coming to the next operation of stack, which is pop operation. Okay, let's define pop here. Void pop. Okay, here no need for data because we have only one choice to pop the last element of the stack. Okay, the topmost element of the stack, we can only push that. Before popping out the element, we will first check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then we cannot be able to pop the element. Okay, so first we'll check. If top equals to -1, it means stack is empty. Okay, so we will print cout stack is empty. Okay, else we will pop the element. So we will also show which element is popped. Okay, for that what we will do is stack pop popped. Okay, now let's try this. Call the function here in main and let's execute this. Enter the data. That's a 389 pushed and then 389 popped. Okay, since the size of stack is 5, so let's try pushing more than 5 times and see what happens. Okay, let's execute and see. Okay, let's enter the data. 374, 356, 54, 65, 35. Okay, here you can see 35 pushed. Now the another statement which was a push, so it showed stack is full. Okay, and then we used pop once, so it's showing 35 popped. 35 is the last element, so it is popped first. Now let's try to pop without inserting any element. As you can see, stack is empty since there is no element inside the stack. Okay, coming to another operation which is peek operation. Let's try peek operation. Void peek. You can see here we have typed cout and then stack top. Okay, it will simply give us the topmost element of the stack. Let's call push once, then peek. As you can see, we entered 45 pushed, and the top element is showing 45 popped. Okay, now let's look at two other functions which are is empty and is full. For im is empty, we had written the condition here, simply this one. Okay, and then another one is full. Okay, the full condition is this one. Let me demonstrate once how the full and empty condition will look like. This is -1. Okay, when top is -1. Okay, okay, then here's nothing, it is pointing towards nothing. Okay, it means it is empty. Okay, this condition states whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, this is empty condition. Okay, when the top comes here. Okay, okay, let's say this size is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Size is 9. Okay, and since the array starts from 0, so this index should be 8. So when the top becomes equals to 8, it refers that stack is full. Okay, so this is n minus 1. Okay, this is n. Okay, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, this means that stack is full. Okay, now come to the coding part here. So here are the functions is full and is empty. Okay, let's call is empty here. Okay, and also call it here, and let's call is full here. Okay, and let's see. Stack is empty in the beginning, showing. Okay, now let's enter the data. 456 post, top element is 456, it is for peak, and again is full, we checked for is full. So okay, we need to insert the else condition also here. Okay, so include else condition. Okay, okay, here also. Okay, let's execute. Stack is empty, the first which we called. Okay, another one, let's insert the data. 465, not showing 465 post. Okay, stack is not empty, so here stack is not empty. Top element is 465. Okay, stack is not full, here is full called, and then last we pop 465 popped. Okay, now we can use switch case. Okay, here to use all the operations. Okay, let's see with the switch statement. Okay, so here we had used a switch statement. Okay, for push, pop, peak, is empty, is full. Okay, run this. Okay, enter your choice. First let us check whether it is empty or not. Yeah, stack is empty. Y or no to proceed next. Okay, we want to proceed, type Y. Let's say we want to push element, so type 1, type the element, 45 post, and let's say we want to see the peak, so type, first we will type Y or N. Okay, now we will type 3 to check the peak, it is 45. Okay, let's say we want to end this, so we will simply type N and we will exit. Okay, so this is the switch statement. Okay, use all the operations of stack. Okay, hope you guys have understood this. If you guys have any queries, you can comment down below. I will try to resolve them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.